So I'm trying to travel lighter these days, which means I actually have to do the laundry, which isn't really a very glamorous side of travel, but you've got to do it. So sometimes when you're trying to find a laundromat, you do end up in some interesting places. Okay, so I'm fresh off the plane, going to iron my clothes for tomorrow, and the laundry room is in the parking garage. The most beautiful part of Venice. Laundry. And sometimes you just have to make do with what you've got. Okay, so after paying $25 for McDonald's, we're too cheap to pay for the laundry service. So, we're doing our own laundry. And sometimes it can actually be fun to do your laundry depending on the situation. So we hung our clothes out to dry.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
I think it froze. Maybe a little fabric softener next time would do good.
We gotta thaw that out.
Well, that is funny. Okay, one more thing. Looking over here. This is ice hanging off my drawers. Oh my God. Look at this. More ice up there. I think it's cold out. So it's time to get the laundry done. Hey everybody, so I'm here at the Saskatoon airport. We've finished up with class for this week and I'm beginning my long travel to Europe. Tonight we're heading over to Toronto and then to Chicago for the night, and then tomorrow we'll pick up the flight from Chicago and head overseas. So let the next journey begin. Two flights in a row, I get to watch a movie. Maybe I won't be able to get to watching a movie. Watch this. So we're stuck here because the in-flight entertainment system's down, and it's only a 70-minute flight, so... Okay, so they fixed the in-flight entertainment, but there's no ground crew to push us back, so delayed again. Okay, we made it to Chicago, and best of all, so did my luggage. So I'm going to go to the hotel and maybe see if I can find something to eat, too. Here we go. About to take an 8.5-hour flight over the Atlantic. Well, I just fed myself, so I don't have to wait for dinner on the flight. I'm going to bed, so see you all later. Alright, we made it to Brussels. One more stop and we're in Italy. This is like Disneyland. You gotta pass through the gift store before you can get to your plane. everybody, welcome to Naples, Italy. I was going to show up the room real quick because I scored because I'm actually in the nice base hotel as opposed to the barracks. So anyhow, this is insane. So I have my own kitchenette this time. So of course it's going to come with dishes. Got my fridge and the microwave. Over here, of course we have the bedroom. And I actually even have a living room. Alright, and here's the coolest thing of all. Right up there is my view of Mount Vesuvius. Alright, so I hate to say this, I just landed. I gotta get to work. Our team's already starting to put stuff together. I'm gonna make myself some coffee and go downstairs and be the chief for a while, so take care.